Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the aromatic world of Indian cuisine with an authentic mutton keema masala recipe. It's perfect for a hearty meal, packed with spices, and incredibly satisfying. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients. 500 grams of minced mutton. 2 large onions, finely chopped. 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 2 green chilies, chopped. Fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Spices: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, salt to taste. 3 tablespoons of oil. 1 cup of water. Begin by finely chopping the onions and tomatoes. The finer they're chopped, the better they will integrate into our keema masala. Heat up 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. Next, add the finely chopped onions. Stir fry till they are golden brown. Now, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 2 chopped green chilies. Cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well and let the spices roast for a minute. Add the finely chopped tomatoes now. Cook them down until they are soft and oil starts to separate from the masala. Once the tomatoes are well cooked, we are adding in the star of our dish, 500 grams of minced mutton. Break it up with your spoon and mix it thoroughly with the masala. Cook for about 5 minutes until the mutton changes color. Stir everything together and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat, cover the pan, and let it simmer for 20-25 minutes. The mutton should be tender, and the masala thick and well combined. Finally, sprinkle 1 teaspoon of garam masala and mix well. Turn off the heat and garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve it hot with naan or steamed rice for a meal that's sure to impress. Enjoy the rich flavors and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Artistic Soul for more authentic recipes.